Hi guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a monthly favorites video, but I'm going to be combining my favorites from the months January and February. So without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. As always, I'm going to be starting off with my skincare favorites. Now, my first favorite has to be the Eclat Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, slowly when the summer starts approaching, your skin tends to feel really dry and dull, especially when you're progressing from winters to summers. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if it's just me, but I personally feel like my skin tends to get a lot drier than compared to what it was in winters. And this hyaluronic acid serum has just been my savior. Now, why I love this is because of its texture. It is super light. You don't even feel like there's serum on your face, absorbs very quickly and gives you intense hydration and moisture. I've personally tried out a lot of hyaluronic acid serums in the market, but I was so put off by their fragrance. But this one's got almost no fragrance. It's very pleasant, and like I mentioned earlier, you don't even feel like there's something on your face. You can obviously follow it up with your moisturizer and sunscreen. Now, this can be used by people with almost all skin types. The formula of Eclat hyaluronic acid also consists of alpha-arbutin, which is great when you're targeting dark spots on your face. It helps fade them as well. Now, this entire bottle is priced at 1900 rupees, but trust me, this lasts for about 3 to 4 months, and you can avail 30% off on this by just using my coupon code NISHITA30. Make sure you check the description box for more details, but yeah, this has to be my most favorite serum of the months, January and February. My next skincare favorite has to be this moisturizing lotion from Nutriderm. Now, I'm somebody who feels like my face gets too oily, especially in summers. It tends to get greasy and oily, and if I apply, any moisturizer, it gets even worse. But this moisturizer is so good. It does not feel greasy, oily at all. It moisturizes your face, but it helps your face look matte as well, if you know what I mean. And this is also enriched with vitamin E, which is great in nourishing your skin. Before trying this, I've heard like a lot of good reviews about this one, and I'm so glad I got my hands on this. Also, this has been suggested by a lot of dermatologists since this is suitable for almost all skin types. My next favorite is something which is so adorable and cute. I had to include it in my monthly favorites video. I'm talking about this pop socket from this Instagram page called Shivani Vaishnavi. Now, Shivani Vaishnavi is a very talented girl who makes beautiful things. You have to check her page out. I'm going to make sure to leave it in the description box below. Now, this pop socket is an entire beach vibe. So this is handmade and it's so gorgeous. I also got another pop socket which is more like a floral design. I'm going to insert pictures so that you guys know how it looks. But yeah, absolutely stunning pop sockets. Moving on to my next section, which is food. Now, this packet right here is been my love for both the months. This is Ragi Crisps from Almond House. This is mostly like a very crunchy snack, namkeen snack, and it is so yum. This is also healthy, so if you are health conscious, then you can definitely try this out. It's got like a sprinkle of chaat masala and some kind of spice on top of it. I'm literally drooling if you see. It absolutely complements the crispiness of this snack. So can you hear the crunch? That's how yummy it is. Trust me guys, I can literally complete this entire packet in just like 10-15 minutes. That's how much I've been loving this. Up next, we have some teas, and these are from this brand called Homegrown Platter. Now, I got sent their teas, and I must say that I am so in love with each of them. Now, I've tried their hibiscus tea. This has got like a very earthy taste, and it's just very calming, very nice, perfect for a morning tea, If you're somebody who's not into milk teas, then I would absolutely suggest this one. This is also rich in antioxidants. Then we have some lavender tea. Now, this is like the perfect bedtime drink, calms you down, regulates your stress levels, just the perfect bedtime drink like I mentioned. And another good bedtime drink that I've tried out is their chamomile flower tea. Now, again, this is very soothing, has a very soothing smell and taste. it also helps you improve digestion and gut health. So this is something that you can look out for if you have digestion issues. Then we have the most gorgeous looking tea. This is the butterfly pea flower tea. Now this tea is literally blue in color and it turns purple if you add some lime juice into it, and the transformation is just out of the world. I'm going to insert a video because I've tried it out and it is so gorgeous. Like, just the look of it makes you want to have it, you know what I mean? So yeah, these are some absolutely yummy healthy teas that you can try. Apart from their taste and health benefits, what I personally love about these teas is the packaging. Now they come in these beautiful glass jars and all these are direct farm producers and they're all very reasonably priced. Now this hibiscus tea is priced only at rupees 160, which I think is very affordable, and the highest it can go up to is rupees 270, which I think is again great for such good packaging and such good health benefits. Up next we have some home decor. Now this is a stand that I got off Amazon. Now I really love how versatile this is. You can use it in your kitchen, in your washroom, or even in your vanity just to place your makeup and skincare, and that's exactly what I do. I use it as my skincare cabinet. I mean, I've been using it as my skincare cabinet. Earlier my mom used to use it in her kitchen. Now this is priced only at rupees 699 and I think it is absolutely perfect. Like, you know, the way you can place things and all, like it's the spacing is also really good, and the down part, the down rack comes with this glass stand, so you can place this inside. I just want to be really careful when I do this. So this is how it looks, and yeah, I think this is like the perfect organization unit if you want to store your makeup, skincare, or even if you just want to store your sauces and jams in the kitchen. This one's just perfect, and I think it's really affordable. Now this is made of metal, I suppose, and yeah, I don't remember if they had colors in this, but I thought white was more aesthetic and more my type, so I had to get this. Up next we have a candle. Now this is a single wick candle which is champagne toast variant from Bath and Body Works. I wouldn't say a lot, but I've used quite a few candles from Bath and Body Works, but I must say this is the only candle which I feel, you know, has that scent that lingers for really long in the room, and you also can instantly smell it as soon as you light it. It's got like a very beautiful sweet floral fruity scent. And yeah, this is also great for people with migraine because it doesn't smell too strong, or it's not just too much out there. So yeah, this is like the perfect candle, and if I have to choose one candle from the entire Bath and Body Works collection, I think this is definitely going to top the list. Now it's time to talk TV shows and movies. My favorite TV show has to be Bridgerton. Now I know I'm really late to the party, but oh my god, what a show! What characters, is so good looking. The entire setup is just so royal and so nice and calming, and if you're somebody who loves watching aesthetic stuff, then this is the TV show for you guys. Also the background music is just so calming. Without giving too much, if I have to describe about this TV show Bridgerton, it's mostly about royal families, how daughters and sons go out, you know, they have this ceremony of getting introduced to the world, saying that they are available for marriage and stuff like that. So basically that is all the TV show was about. Personally for me, it was a treat to watch the show because I love British accent and it was all out there. Now coming to movies, the only movie that I remember watching is To All the Boys I Loved Now and Forever. That is the third part of it, and I absolutely loved it. Now the second part was not up to the mark. I feel if I have to choose among all the three, the first part has to be my most favorite, then comes the third part, and then comes the second part. So yeah, it's absolutely a fun watch. It's a very colorful movie, so if you are into, you know, rom-coms, then you would absolutely enjoy watching this. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I create a lot of fun content there as well. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.